Europe, as the pace of infection speeds up, measures to try and slow it down get tougher and tougher. On Monday, the EU proposed severe travel restrictions. Doctors, nurses and scientists will be exempt. On Tuesday, all 27 EU leaders will hold a video conference to discuss that and what else can be done. In the UK, Prime Minister Boris Johnson announced a radical change in government policy, admitting that the crisis had now entered a fast growth stage. Those with symptoms should stay at home with their families for 14 days. No non-essential travel, work at home and avoid social contact. And for the old and vulnerable, they should self-isolate for 12 weeks.
Now is the time for everyone to stop non-essential contact with others and to stop all unnecessary travel. We need people to start working from home where they possibly can, and you should avoid pubs, clubs, theatres and other such social venues.
In France, cases are doubling every 3 days. President Macron announced that from Tuesday, people should stay at home for 15 days, and he cancelled next Sunday's local elections. He said France was in a health war.
Dès demain, midi.
As of tomorrow at noon, and for at least 15 days, our movements will be greatly reduced. This means that external gatherings, meetings between family or friends will no longer be permitted. Meeting friends in the park or in the street will no longer be possible.
On Monday, the German government ordered the closure of theatres, bars, gyms and places of worship. Its borders are already partially closed. Spain now has the 4th highest number of infections in the world. Its death toll more than doubling in just 2 days. The army now patrols Madrid's deserted streets. All but essential services are shut down. In Italy, this sign says all will be well, but on Sunday it recorded the world's highest single-day death toll despite days of lockdown. Across the continent, borders are closing as countries try to limit the spread. Europe's stock markets had another terrible day, falling between 7% and 10%. No one bought into Sunday night's rate cut by the Federal Reserve in Washington, and the economic news gets worse every day. As they ground flights and lay off staff, global airlines are on the brink. One industry group says most will be bankrupt by the end of May. Simon McGregor-Wood, TRT World.